Hello everyone, today we will see how to draw DFA of a string which contains a. See, in this first question, DFA means we will draw a DFA which the string will contain a. So here the input alphabet is given, A and B. Now first of all we have to find the language. So we have to find the language, then only we will draw the DFA, the string which will contain a. So what is the language? The language will be, see here the input is here, there are two input A and B. So the string have to contain a. So the first string will be only a, only single a, because the string have to contain a. It can be like this, the string be like this, a, because there are three A's are there. See, the string may look like this, and there are three A, means the string is containing a. So the string may start with B and it see B A. So see here the string is starting with B but it is containing A. So this string is also okay. Then it can happen like this also. The string may look like this also, A B. See, in this string also the string is starting with A but it is also containing A. See, we are not finding this means the string is starting with A, but we are finding the string will contain A. See, in this string also the A is containing, in this string also A is containing, so and so on. See, this language is infinite language. So we have to draw a finite machine, we have to draw a deterministic machine. So see, so when we draw a deterministic machine, we'll always take the smallest string to draw a DFA. We'll always take the smallest string to draw DFA. In this language, the smallest string, for every example, we will take the smallest string to draw DFA. In this language, the smallest string is A, so we'll take A to draw the DFA. So in the previous video, we have seen how to draw a DFA string which is starting with A. Now we are seeing how to draw a DFA whose string is contains A. So the DFA will look like this. See, we are drawing DFA for the smallest string A. So after seeing A, we are accepting the state, we are accepting it. Now see, for this state A and B. Now see, for this state I have shown the A transition but I have not shown the B transition, so it is not a DFA. So I have to show the transition of B also, for the input B also. So after seeing A, it is accepting it, but now for A state I have to show the transition of B also, B input. Now see the string is starting with B, so we don't have any problem because in this string A, the string is containing A. So if any number of B comes in A state, so we'll take it, because if the string starts with B, so if the string starts with B also, we don't have any problem because the string is containing A. Now this state is finished because there are two input and we have shown the two transitions of A and B also. Now see, for the B state we have not shown any transition path of A and B. Now for B, see, after if the string is containing B A, then see in this string it contains A. Now after seeing A, if we see any number of A's and B, we will accept it. In B state, if we see any numbers of A and B, we will accept it, because we have found out that the string is containing A, then we will accept it. And after seeing A, if we see any number of B's or A, we'll accept the string. So this is the DFA of string which contains A. Now the important thing is, this is the final state. See, and this is the initial state. So initial state you have to mark like this, initial state. This is the initial state. Now we will move to the next example. The next example is DFA of string which ends with A. Means we will draw a DFA, the string will end with A. So what will be the language? Here also the input alphabet is A and B. There are two input. Now what will be the language? The minimum string will be only A, because the string is ending with A. The minimum string will be only A, because after seeing only A string only will accept it, because the string is ending with A. Then the string may like this also, A B A. See, the string is ending with A. Then B A, it is also accepted because the string is ending with A. Now we are working on how the string will end with A. Now see, it is also accepted because the string is ending with a. Then A, it is also accepted because the string is ending with a. So and many more. So it's also infinite. So we will draw a DFA for the minimum string for this A. Now we will draw a DFA C. So for the minimum string A, after seeing only A, we will accept it. Now you can name it A or B. Now see, after seeing A, we have accepted it. Now in this state is also not over because we have not shown the transition of B input. Now if we see any number of B's, we will accept it because in the language we have seen if B comes, then A comes, we'll accept it because the string is ending with A, it is okay. Now see, this state is over. Now see, now in the B state, if any number of A comes, we'll accept it because after seeing B, A, any number of A's, it does not affect it because at the last A is only there, so we are ending with A, so we'll accept it. But here, now see one interesting point. If we see B in the B state, now in which state we'll go? We'll go to the first state, means A state. If we see any number of B's here, because if we see any number of B's here, we'll go to the A state because in A state, if any number of B's comes, we'll take it. So after seeing B state, after seeing B input, we'll go to A state. So because if we accept here B also, then the string will look like this, means the string is not ending with A, so the string is not correct, the string is not valid. So after seeing B here, we'll go to the A state. So this is about this example, the string ends with A. So thanks for watching. Thank you. We'll see in the next video more examples on DFA. Thank you.